What's up you guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another vlog. I'm Dinesh and this is Cranks and Pistons, and today we are back at Chinawell. We're come back to pick up the SLK350. Let's see what has been done to the car, what all repairs have been done, and take it out for a test drive. So it looks like the car is all washed and cleaned up. So let's go find Jason and see what more is to be done. So it looks like the car is all done, you guys. Say what's up to Jason. Hey Jason.
Let's get back to the road.
Yeah.
Alright.
So these are all the old parts.
Yeah.
This is from
your
the water
upper
pump.
and lower coolant hose. Your water pump.
Okay, oh, that is gone.
You got a minor play here and it's actually leaking. Alright.
Okay.
Your engine fluid housing, the filter housing,
Okay.
gasket, and your tensioner and idler bearings.
Idle bearings. Okay, so all these have been replaced.
Yeah, enjoy it, alright?
Alright, let's take it out for a test drive. So guys, work has all been done with the car. All cleaned up, she's washed up, ready to go. First, let's go on a rundown of what all fixes have been done to the car. Starting with the water pump. We did a water pump change, we did a whole coolant change, we fixed the bushing for the gear change, and what is the other one? Fan belt assembly. We replaced that. Whoa! Guess who's here? F in the house. Check this car out, you guys. Hi, Jeff.
Hi.
How are you? So guys, this SLK55 is one of 3 SLK55s in Hong Kong. This is a Black Series AMG SLK55. I guess only 100 of these have been ever made around the world. And the only difference between this car and Nick's car right there is it's all its carbon fiber additions. For example, this one. And there are a few additions inside. It's got the sick AMG rims. I think it is painted. Looks like we both have the same rims. This is plastic coated. It's got a sick exhaust setup installed from AGM. But there's a little bit of a burn mark because the exhaust was not set up in the right place. Let's check out the inside of the car, you guys. Oh! It's got bucket seats. Crazy bucket seats, AMG bucket seats. I totally can't even fit in the seat anymore. It's got the carbon fiber here, carbon fiber on the dash, front, handle. It's got the AMG gear knob. It's a good spec on this car. It's totally the same with more carbon fiber, more leather, and a V8. That's the only difference. This is a beautiful V8 AMG. A nice color, sweet spec, and the engine sounds crazy, you guys. When it revs up, it is mental. Coming up. Alright guys, time for our startup. coming up. Nick, please take this for me.
Yeah, sure. Is it filming?
Yeah. Alright, that sounds sick. Thanks, let's go you guys. AGM?
Yeah, AGM.
Yeah! That's what it's gotta sound like, right? Yeah, baby! So guys, here's a review of the car, review of the exhaust, and review of the fix-up. So the car is running hella good now. It's much more easier to drive, much smoother, and I'm not having any third-party sounds in the car at all, except probably for the roof. But that's okay, you're gonna get that anyway. But otherwise, the engine pull is much better. The grunt, I can feel it. I can feel the vibration inside the car, and it really excites me. I just wish this car was a manual car. It would have been so much more fun to drive. Maybe we should do a swap on it. I don't know if that is possible, but we'll probably look into it. And for the exhaust sounds crazy on the highway. It has been so much fun driving the car. We just took it out for a test drive and it sounded insane. And like that, we're back at AGM. What's up, yo? Looks like they have some new boys in. Hi Ken, how are you?
How are you?
Good. So guys, we're not staying back at AGM. I'm too excited to check out the car. I want to take the car out on the highway for a rip. So we left. The boys are staying back, getting the work done on their cars. But on the way out, I found a great view of Hong Kong and I wanted to show it to you guys. So today's been a bit of a foggy day. It's nice and cool. It was very sunny the last 2 days. We got a crazy view of Hong Kong from up here. Check this out, you guys. What? I can totally see the old city runway up there, that small white stretch. So they've closed that airport and they've opened another airport on an island straight around, somewhere around there. But this view is great. Alright, time to go you guys. Time to go back and check how the car is running. More bike boys. They don't say this is Taimo Shan for nothing, right? So guys, are you ready for the review? To listen to the exhaust? So yeah, we are on manual now and it's gonna sound way louder on manual. At least I hope so. So we're gonna give it a go. Yeah. So the car sounds way better now with after all the service and all the fixes that we did in Chinawell. And the gear shift is much better, and the ratio is way longer now. So I'm just gonna stop the car so we can talk more on the exhaust. There we go. So let me know down in the comments, you guys, how you like the sound of the exhaust. Does it do justice to the car, the power? It's a V6 with 256 brake horses, I guess. And I think the exhaust has probably added a couple of dozen more horses. I'm not really sure, maximum to maybe 20 horses. But it does sound more powerful, and the gear ratio and the shift, it is way better. I have more running space. So overall, I think the exhaust was a good investment. It did good, sounds well, looks good. We got Acropo which tips. So that's a good first mod, and we have to do a few more mods. They're in the plans, and I'm working on a few decals for the car. So soon it is gonna be looking crazy. Hopefully I don't create too much attention, because I feel like the popo is gonna be on my ass very soon. So we're gonna keep it legal. Even the driving, we're gonna do legal speed limits. Maybe we could head out to the Zhuhai track and have some fun there on high-speed machines, and maybe even take a few bikes out and play with it on the track. So stay tuned for more exhaust vlogs, more garage vlogs, more Hong Kong vlogs, and do subscribe and hit the like button if you like the video. So till the next time, peace.